everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram highlights from specific people. Stick around till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Hiding your story highlights means you can control who sees the stories you've saved on your profile. Let's dive into how to do it. First, open the Instagram app on your device and log into your account. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings. Scroll down until you find the Who Can See Your Content section and tap on Hide Story and Live. This feature lets you manage who can view your stories and highlights. Now, tap on Hide Story and Live From. You'll see a list of your friends and followers. Use the search box to type the name of the person you want to hide your highlights from. Instagram will show you matching results. Select their name from the list. Once you've made your selections, go back to save your changes. To double-check, refresh your profile to ensure your highlights are now hidden from that person. And that's it. Your Instagram highlights are now private for the specified individual, and they won't be able to see them when visiting your profile. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And feel free to leave a comment below.